Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mickey and this is the Micky Way. Woo, woo. Yeah, I don't have intro. Today's video I wanted to do something easy. I wanted to cook something very easy and probably you'll have this at home or maybe you don't, I don't know. We didn't do any grocery shopping yet, so we basically have almost nothing. I had some shrimps and I have some pasta. This is a 5-cheese tortellini pasta. And we got this at Sam's Club, I think. You can do any pasta, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be this one. Shrimps, but you don't have to do shrimps. You can do chicken or you can even do hot dogs if you have. I'm going to be making something for my dogs as well because they can also eat shrimps, but you cannot give them a big quantity because it's high in cholesterol and that's not good for them, but it is also good in protein for them. So you have to just balance that, and I'm going to make like a soup with shrimps and oatmeal for them. So that's basically what we need, and then any other spices that you might have home, don't be afraid, just put it on, you know? Cooking is an art and you just should do whatever you feel like doing. Or when you smell what you are cooking, you can also feel or think like, perhaps this might be good in this, and you add it and then you taste it and it becomes into something new. You don't need to have like a lot of things or money to buy specific things. You can use whatever you have at home. Just use common sense. That's it. By the way, don't ignore this part. Do you see this? We all have that at home, so it's okay. Is that like influencer approved or something like that? I don't know. We need to put some water in a pot for the pasta. This pasta, it's like pre-made, so basically I'm just gonna heat it up with water. I don't know if that's the right way to do it, but there is no instructions in here, so I'm just gonna do it. Two. Done. So next what I'm gonna do is I am going to clean the shrimps. I'm gonna wash them and also gonna take the tails off and then we're gonna cook them. I took off the tails and the shrimps are clean. We are going to cook this in water first, and then we are going to cook it for around, I don't know, until you feel like there is nothing living there that is going to give you diarrhea. So just cook it until you see it like burning all of that. Also, if you have ginger, peel it and put it on the water here. It tastes good, so try it. I honestly put ginger most likely in everything that I cook. I really love ginger, and I think this is already done, so now we're just gonna focus on the sauce. In the meantime, I am going to do the dog stuff. I found a carrot, so we're gonna use the carrot for them, and we're also gonna add some ginger on their soup, and we're gonna add a few scoops of oatmeal. So I found celery and I decided to add some celery to my dog soup. I'm also gonna be using celery and carrots on my sauce. By the way, this type of soup, you can also consume this. I am just making this for my dogs today because I don't like them eating their regular food because it is not even real food. So sometimes I make them stuff like this, and I also can eat this. Alright, so now we're cooking the soup for the dogs, and now we're going to take the water off this. Alright, this is ready for the next step. Make sure you remove your ginger. You don't want that in there because if you chew on this, it is not a fun taste. Alright, now I'm gonna put some shrimps on my dog's food. We're gonna add a few shrimps there for them. So that way basically we're eating the same, but instead of eating pasta, they are eating oatmeal, which is basically good for them. And it's also good for you. Now that this is dry, we are going to add some olive oil. Now the point of this is to fry the shrimps, and then we are going to add some garlic. If you have real garlic, that would be fantastic, but if you have garlic in powder, it works. I like it very garlicky. Then I like to add some nutmeg in there too. I don't have a lot left, so we work with what we have. And if you don't have any of these, just use salt and pepper. It does the same thing. You can use some pepper as well. And mix. I am going to be adding some of the few vegetables that I found. Alright, and now that everything smells like yummy, you are going to add your tomato sauce. You use as much as you want. I'm gonna use a whole one though. And then we're gonna mix this in and let it cook for a few minutes. Now, if you have, you can also add some oregano, or if you want to, you can also do Italian seasoning, but I will do just oregano today. And make sure you try this before you add the pasta. Alright, and now that everything tastes fantastic, just add your pasta. And then it's ready to be served. And now I'm waiting for that to boil, and then it will also be ready to be served. There you go, easy to make. Now I don't want to clean, dang it. Alright, so dinner is ready. This is ours, and this is for my dogs. They're ready right there. You ready? Yeah? Please make sure that this is cold enough for them to eat it, because you don't want them to burn their tongue. Oh, it's still hot, so I'm gonna wait a few more minutes. Alright, try it. Good, right? Alright, so this is dinner. Lucy likes shrimp stuff. Alright friends, so this is how you make something that you were not expecting. It actually turned really well. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, let me know in the comments down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a like just because you like this video, right? I hope so. Oh, Kiki's here. Hey, here's my Kiki. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope to see you next time, and in the meantime, you behave yourself. Bye. What? You want kisses, gooses? Lucy also wants to say bye. Bye, 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 Amachiwini, bye.